Welcome to Getting Started with EndNote Basic, the web browser version. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up an EndNote Basic account, create a new library, and import references into your new library. The easiest way to start your new EndNote library is by going to the University of South Carolina University Libraries page. From this page, you can go to Our Databases. From here, we're actually going to enter through Web of Science. From the Web of Science page, we can go to Products, scroll down to under Reference Manager, and click EndNote. On this page, we will either be asked to sign in if we've already created our account or register as a new member. For first-time users, you will want to register. You will want to use your University of South Carolina email address and a trusted password. Once you've filled in the required information, you will hit register. You will be brought to the Getting Started page, where you'll be able to find, store and share, and create references. Our first step to utilizing our new library is to import references. Up at the top are a list of tools that we can use while utilizing our EndNote library. We're going to go to Collect. There are three options available for you to import references. One is by connecting to our University of South Carolina Libraries catalog. By locating the University of South Carolina Libraries and connecting. From here, you'll be able to search our Find It at USC for references to import directly into your library. Your second option is by creating a new reference completely from scratch. This will include you finding a reference and trying to fill in as much information as you have about your source. You're even able to attach a PDF of the document you are looking at. The most common option for importing references is by going to Import References. Once you've done a search and you've found a source that you want to use and add to your library, you'll want to make sure to click on it and locate the place where it might say Export Citation. For Academic Search Complete, you'll look for the Cite button and then Export Citation. From here, you can either export straight to the EndNote web, or for databases that don't have that as an option, you can click Export in RIS format. This is the format that you will always want to export your sources from. Once you click Export, it will go to your downloaded files. From here, we can go back to our EndNote library. Want to choose File, select the downloaded RIS format, import option to RefMan RIS, and then select where you would like to import your record to. If you've not created any categories or groups, then you can just import it to unfiled or create a new group at this time. Then we'll hit Import. The message will indicate that the source has been successfully imported. So we will go back to our references, search for a keyword from the article, and find the cataloged article that we have added. When we click on it, we should be able to find the information from the database that will help us locate, read, and utilize this source. Congratulations! You have now successfully set up your EndNote Basics library. For more help check out our EndNote guide at guides.library.sc.edu/endnote. Or you can find out more about other services at library.sc.edu. You can also use our online chat feature to connect with a librarian today. Thank you for watching our tutorial and have a wonderful day.